Hi there, in this tutorial I will cover how to work with Shopify content. So let's start with this layout right here. And this layout is a page. As we can see right here, it's within pages. And on this page, I want to showcase 3 different products from my Shopify store. And there are 2 ways to work with Shopify content. We can do it manually or we can work with AI. So first, let's cover AI. Let's select this first card, the main layer of this left card that holds all the content. So this layer holds the image and these 2 text elements. It's selected on the canvas, and in the AI prompt box, we can also see that this layout is added to the prompt box. And this means whatever we now prompt will only apply to this layout. So let's say connect this layout to one of my products and click on go. The AI will quickly think about the next step and will then ask us to select one of the products from our Shopify store. Now the AI will edit this section, and there we have it. The AI has done its work, and this left card is now connected to this product, and it's showcasing the product image. This is the image I've uploaded to Shopify. It also showcases the correct title and the correct price. Now let's cover how you can do this manually. So let's select the middle card right here, and then on the right side we see add Shopify content. If we click on Shopify content, we get a selection of all the products in our Shopify store. And when we select one, this will be connected to one of our products. We can also do it on the canvas. We can see the Shopify icon, and this will give us the option to choose between a collection of products or one of our products. So let's scroll down and grab this product right here. And now nothing has really changed. The only thing that has changed is the green outline on this middle card. If we hover over the card on the right, there's the regular blue outline. And the green outline means that this layout is now connected to one of the products in your Shopify store. And what we now have to do is connect the sources or the content elements, this image and these 2 text elements, to the dynamic elements from our Shopify store. So starting with the image, we can click on this dynamic source, and right here we can choose one of our product images that we want to showcase. Let's do the featured image, then quickly set the sizing to fit so it fits nicely within this layout. Then we can also see this dynamic icon on the right side. So from this point as well, we can choose which image we want to show. Then the same applies to the other content elements. The text element is selected. Now we can click on this source, and here we will find all the different text sources from our Shopify store, from the product title to the description, price, unit price, meta fields, and more. For now, let's just select the title, and for this text element, let's select the price. And there we have it. When it comes to disconnecting a product from a certain layout or a certain page, we simply select the layer to which this product is connected, and then on the right side we can click on this unlink icon, and then it's not connected to Shopify content anymore, and we can connect it to a different product. Then there is one layout type where Shopify content works a little bit differently, and that's on product pages. So right here we can see we're currently in one of my product pages, this one right here, and on the right side we can see that we're not connected to a specific product, but we're previewing a product. And in this case, we're previewing an example product. Reason being, one product template can be assigned to multiple products, so this just works a little bit different. So let's go over it. On this product page, we're previewing this product, and right here we can change which product we're previewing. So let's grab an actual product from my store, this one right here, the whey protein product, and when selected, all the content has now changed, and every element is showing dynamic content. Let's start with the images. So when we click on the image on the right side, we can see it's connected to a dynamic source, to the featured image. But we can also select any other image that we have uploaded for this product within Shopify. And the same counts for the images underneath right here. So the dynamic source right here is set to media element number 2, but we can switch the order. We can also show media element 4 right here, and then right here we showcase media element 2 to change the order up a little bit. Then the same applies to all the other elements. So right here, this is connected to our product title. Then we have the product price. And what is a little bit different is these options right here. So when we select this element, we can see that this is showcasing the different product variants that we have set up within Shopify. On the right side, we can see option, and now it's showcasing the different flavor options. But we can also showcase the different volumes that I have for this product. And of course, we can also show both. So we can grab this element, duplicate it by pressing Command D on your keyboard. Then we say here, instead of select flavor, select size, and then we connect these product options to the volume. And now we have both the flavors and the different sizes. Going down one more step, we can see the one-time purchase option and the subscribe and save option. So for this product, I have different subscription options. And right here under previewing, we can choose if by default we want to select the one-time purchase, or by default we want to select the first available selling plan. So when someone lands on this page, this one is selected automatically to maybe motivate people to go for the subscribe and save option instead of the one-time purchase. Now there's one more thing we need to cover, and that is this element right here. You might also want to add another product, a upsell product, which is different. So we can do that. We select the main layer that holds all the content, and then we connect it to a different product. So this layer is selected, and on the right side, we can add another Shopify product. So let's do that. Let's look for the shaker. There we have it, and connect it. Now, this is showcasing all the dynamic content for the shaker, title, price, and the image. And on the right side, we can see we're previewing the whey protein product, and then this specific element is connected to this shaker. We can also unlink it and connect it to a different product if we want to, but all in all, this is what you need to know about working with Shopify content. So I hope you were able to follow along and now have a clear understanding of how everything works. So thanks a lot for watching, and good luck with building.